Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap, carefree local and long-distance movers near me. Are you relocating and don't know how to plan your move? Are you unsure of how to transport your belongings to your new location? You need not worry. 3Movers is a moving company that has helped clients plan and execute their moves with no stress and at affordable rates. We are the perfect movers for all your moving needs. 3Movers is the most affordable local and long-distance movers in Carefree AZ. Our moving services are quick, dependable, and adequate. We carry out both local and long-distance moves seamlessly because we work with the right resources, both human and material. Our staff members are experts at what they do. They are ready to work with your preference and budget to organize a stress-free move. Our trucks and other moving equipment are also of the best standard. Our quality resource has made it possible to achieve quality results. Other tasks that need your attention when moving will not suffer because we take full responsibility for moving your belongings. 3Movers has years of experience in the relocation business, and our reputation precedes us. Our vehicles are big enough to accommodate your belongings, and our staff is credible and courteous. With a moving company like ours, you need not worry. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.